this Friday was a very simple yet somehow difficult trade, right? Unless you've been watching my videos, then you know about the reversed 714 method. If you've not been watching my videos and you don't know about the reverse 714 method, you could have just gotten a little amount of money from the 714 method this Friday, right? But those of you guys that already know how to use the reverse 714 method, we could have made it huge just like this, right? Very, very simple. We could have gotten this. Now the initial amounts, well, our targets were kind of 25k, right? But we closed around somewhere 14k thereabouts. Now let's look at the trade, right? Let's analyze the trade and see what happened. So looking at this, when you look at this, most of you guys, you've already understood or you've already realized that we are in an uptrend during this 714 method, right? We are in an uptrend, so we are looking to go down. That's pretty much what it means. Very, very simple as that. But you see, you are a trader. You're not supposed to be shackled, right? You're supposed to know what to do and when to do it. So indirectly, it means that it's not every time that you're going to see the 714 method moving up like this and the downward move is going to be huge, or it will give you a very serious trade, right? It's not every time. When you look at this from this level, that's a very big resistance, right? This level was a very big resistance. So you should have already known that this resistance will likely get tested with this 714 method again, right? Pretty much simple, because we tested it here once, we tested it here twice, and we'll probably test it again around this level, right? This is another test, and it was probably just it was a kind of consolidation move, right? So that means this level is very, very high. It's very, very good. So if price eventually pulls up, right, it either retests this level, then we move to this other block right here, or price do what it does best, right? It pulls up, people think it's going, then it does what? It come down and pull liquidity from where? This fair value gap right here, right? Then now move all the way up to what? This other block right here. So this is what you were supposed to be expecting as a trader, right? So you were supposed to know that, okay, we are in an uptrend during this 714 method, but the trade that I'm going to get using this 714 method is not going to give me much. We could probably just pull back only to this level right here, then move. So from here to here, it's not going to do it. It's not going to be a healthy trade, right? It's too small. It's not going to be a healthy trade. That's some people's stop loss, right? So it's not going to be a healthy trade. So you shouldn't have done that, but you should have used my reversed 714 method. With that, you see that you get a nice trade. Now when you look at this, you can see that even before the trade even manifests, or even before the 714 period ends, I was already at this level, right? I was already at this level waiting for it to come. That's how simple it is. So that I already know my levels before I even get into the 714 method, right? Simple as that. Now let's look at the trade and see what happened. All right, now it just took about a couple of minutes, but price came all the way back down and picked my trade. You can see how wonderful it was. A very nice trade. Now we're having this nice wedge, right? Initially, or what my predictions are, price will move down to this fair value gap, then we'll shoot right up, right? But you see, it's Friday and I don't want to leave my trades hanging through Saturday and Sunday, so no, I just have to close it. I mean, Monday is another day, right? And every day is full of new possibilities, right? So that was it. I'll see you guys in the next video.